How the Marcos GT used off-the-shelf parts for lightweight sports car innovation. Marcos GT's chassis featured marine plywood, making it much lighter than traditional steel-bodied sports cars. Engines were sourced from Ford and Volvo, providing reliable power while keeping costs and complexity down. Suspension components often came from Triumph, ensuring agile handling and easy availability of replacement parts. Interior fittings like gauges and switches were selected from established British brands, blending functionality with affordability. Follow for more fascinating stories from the world of classic automotive design and engineering.